Retire on $2,000 per month. Top overseas destinations for 2025. In 2025, the average Social Security benefit for retired workers will see a 2.5% boost, thanks to the COLA adjustment, increasing from $1,920 to $1,968 per month. But what if you could make that amount go even further? Imagine enjoying a vibrant, worry-free lifestyle in a stunning overseas destination, all on just $2,000 per month. Today, we'll start a series of videos exploring 7 incredible places where your retirement dreams can become a reality. Why consider retiring abroad? For starters, it's a chance to stretch your dollar further while embracing a new lifestyle. According to Vanguard, even with Social Security benefits factored in, many retirees still face gaps in their income needs. That's where these affordable overseas destinations come in, offering the perfect blend of cost, comfort, and culture. We've searched sources like US News Money and expert retirement planners to curate a list of top retirement destinations for 2025. Whether you're drawn to the tropical charm of Southeast Asia or the historical allure of Europe, each city has something unique to offer. One city is known for its world-class healthcare and vibrant expat community, while another boasts stunning natural beauty and a thriving culinary scene, all affordable on a $2,000 monthly budget. Curious? Our upcoming videos will dive into each city, revealing insider tips and must-know details. From healthcare to housing and cultural highlights, we'll help you plan your dream retirement abroad. With the 2025 COLA adjustment, Social Security benefits are rising, but careful planning is still essential. Choosing a destination where your income stretches further could mean the difference between just getting by and living comfortably. That's why these cities are such game changers for retirees. Now that you've had a small glimpse of what's possible, it's time to choose your next adventure. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for the upcoming detailed videos on each destination. You can make a truly informed decision and enjoy your retirement to the fullest. And don't forget to like this video and comment below. Where do you dream of retiring? What retirement destination will we explore in our next video? Wherever you choose, 2025 could be the start of the best chapter of your life. Stay tuned for more.